Alright guys, so you welcome once again. We are still on our web banner design for business. Okay, so as you see on the screen, this is also another amazing beautiful banner for a business like Stellas Special Spaghetti and Indomie. This is very simple design, so we are not going to waste my time. Okay, so let's start. Alright guys, you're welcome once again. So don't forget that I always keep on saying that this resources, to get the brush, the font, the images, everything that you need are in the video description. Don't forget, a link is in the video description. Click on it and it will take you to this is my Google Drive. So you have access to 3D characters, backgrounds, brushes, okay, fonts, the food, and then the vectors. This brush and everything that you see is there. So the first thing that you need to do is to create a new document. And like I said, a new document, the size is 1024 by 512. Okay, so I've created the document already. So here is it. We are using the old one. Okay, we are using the old one. So we did the first thing is to set the background right. Now you can see from here that the background looks reddish plus black color. Okay, so we are going to add adjustment layer, and with the adjustment layer we are going for gradient, and with the gradient we are changing it to this reddish color, this one. Okay, so let me give you the hex code. The color code is 310101 310101. Okay, 310101. The next one, which is the second one, is BA0404 BA0404. okay, you click that. You can save it. I've taught you how to save it. Then make sure that your linear, let's pick 0 in C, which is not good, so let's pick 90, and then we don't need the reverse and then the data. Everything is okay for us, so go ahead and click OK. Then we are going to add this yellowish brush, like in the previous video that we did. I showed you how to install brushes and use them. So this is a torn paper brush. Okay, I've taught you how to use it. So for us to use this, we have to add a layer. Okay, and go and select your brush tool, and with your brush tool you see this plus, it means my caps lock is on. So let's turn it off, and your paper tone brush is being activated. Now you can see the foreground color is the yellowish, and I really like this. So let me deepen it a little bit. So I really like this. So just make a click like this and you are good to go. Alright, so this is what you have. So the next thing that you have to do is to create this ellipse shape with this Indomie image in it. So let's create that ellipse shape. Go for your ellipse and then make sure that the stroke is given this particular color. Okay, the stroke, we are going to use this same color. Okay, then let's draw the ellipse shape. Very beautiful one. Okay, good. Let me increase the size a little bit. I want it to be big enough like this. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Then we're going to add the Indomie food or Indomie image in it. So go to my images and go to food. Let's move on to, let's say, rice. Yeah, and then we are going in for the Indomie. So here is it. This is the image, jollof spaghetti. Okay, bring it onto the ellipse shape, and then we are going to position it very neat. Double click to accept, create a clipping mask, and here we go. Wonderful. So let me zoom it. Yes, I have something like this. Go ahead and click enter. Okay, so I think still I need to adjust this a little bit. So I have this beautiful, yes, so this is okay. Then we are creating something like a shadow. Okay, yes, let's create it. I've taught you how to create it. Select the L shape. We don't need the stroke, but we need the fill color to be black, and then just create something like this. Go ahead and select your move tool, go to blur, and then go to blur, filter, blur, and you know it, Gaussian blur. Rasterize it, okay, and turn it to 5.2. I think is okay. Press on Control and then close that edge, something like this. Enter, and it looks like it is not suspended. Okay, so let me bring this down here. Okay, I think this is okay. And then what we are going to do is that if you see this particular layer, don't worry, let it calm down a little bit. Select the jollof, select spaghetti, and select the shadow. Let it calm down a little bit, so something like this is okay. Then let's group this and name it image. Okay, image. All right, then the next thing that we're going to do is to bring in this particular background, which is the jollof rice at the background. Okay, so let's select this gradient because we want it to be on the gradient. Okay, let me pick this. All right, let me pick this. Let me bring this one. Okay, okay, so all right, I think it is. Then let me resize it a little bit. Good. Double click, then rasterize. Then we're going to brush the edge. Yes, something like this. And then we are setting it to multiply. Okay, the blend mode, make sure it's multiplied. The blend mode is multiplied. And then we are bringing in this it looks like a brush something, yeah. So that one too. Let's go to the resources, and then we are going to the vector. Okay, and then let me scroll down, and here is it. Let's bring it into Photoshop. Here we go. Let's resize it like this. Okay, let me position it this way so you can see from here. Let me press on Control, and then let's try to play along. Okay, so something like this is fine. Double click, when select your FX, make sure it is color overlay. We are changing it to white. Okay, yes, this is okay. So it looks too much for me, so let me cross it like this, which is I think okay. And then go in for my text tool, make sure that it is Montserrat, yes, Gotham, and you can see over here that with our Gotham Stella. Let me check the spelling well. I don't want it to be italic, so I'll pick the bold. Okay, increase the size. Okay, duplicate, Ctrl J, and then this one is going to be special. Okay. Okay, and with the special I'm giving it color white, and I'm using the Georgia. Okay, Georgia. Okay, and then let me increase this to 38, increase this one to 48. Okay, and I need the closing bar to be 100. Okay, and then let me bring this here. So what I'm going to do is I'll select this and play along with it. Okay, just want to play along with it. Okay, Control minus. Alright, okay, let me delete it and then go in again, and now I'm going to select this. Alright, okay, Control. Okay, we are trying to just play along with it. Okay, so just play along with it, and then you are good to go. Then let's change the color to color overlay to white, then we are good to go. So select the special select the stellar, select this, and then you're going to just make sure that it is slightly. Okay, so something like this. Okay, I think this is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. Yeah. Good. Then we are going to add a bit of shadow so that we see the special. And then I don't need a 50. Yes, I just needed it to be this. Okay, and the next is to write in the spaghetti. So I'll just click on this brush, press on Control, and try to curve it this way. No, try to curve it. Let's hold here and curve it this way. Yeah, I think this is okay. Select this, select this, and select this. Okay, Ctrl J. No, I'm not copying any of these text. So I'm going to use the turn black, and this one is going to be black. So let me put in the spaghetti. Okay, 14. I think it's not bad. Okay, it's too much. Yes, so that's it. I think this is the end of the video. Okay, okay, and let me try to yes, so make sure that you set it to italic. Yes, I think I'm now seeing the beauty. Yes, amazing, very beautiful. Yes, So what I will do next is level last one, select this adjustment layer, add shadow, then we are going to brighten it, go for it. Then we don't need this brush, so let's change it to this round one, then set there, yes, to here is it. Then to use it by using the minus, increase it, and then just make a click. That's all. Then set it to screen. There you go, you have your banner. Very beautiful design, and it's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself much. So if you have something like this, please don't forget to save your work. Go to file, go to export as, and you are going to get this setup. Make sure that it is JPEG, it is great, any other thing is okay. Go ahead and export. Then you are going to show whether it should export to desktop or not. So I want desktop, so I'll select this and it is saved. So let me change the name, let's say banner 1, and you have it. Okay, so let me close this and go in for the for the one that we just did. Here is it. Double click it and let's see how it looks like. Wow, very simple and beautiful. So please try your hand on it and please submit your work on time. Okay, submit it on time. God bless you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.